We're off to cut some trees with his new chainsaw. You gonna cut a tree down, Jake? Yep. So Jake, what do you got there? A chainsaw. Leah gave you that? Mm-hmm. Is it an early Christmas present? Mm-hmm. Kind of because you accidentally opened it up yesterday? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now Dad cut a bunch of wood down here. Why did he cut all this wood?
Because we would have had a campfire.
We're gonna have a campfire, but why did we have trees that fell down?
Tornado.
We had a tornado. Mm-hmm. Yes, we had a tornado last week, November 10th, 2012. You and I were sleeping upstairs and Mama woke up and was like, "What is that noise?" It was at like 11:30, and I grabbed you and we ran downstairs. The power went out. We quick got down to where the girls were in Callie's room, Callie and Leah. Jamie was gone, and then it stopped. And I said to Dad, I went upstairs and said, "Did you hear that?" I said, "I think something just came through here." And sure enough, it was a tornado. Williams lost a whole bunch of trees, big ones. Peterson's roof got torn off a little bit. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they said it was a 4.5 mile path and 100 yards wide. It was an EF0. You want to get down? And then what did we hear about yesterday? Did we hear there was a large animal around? What kind?
Dog.
Not a dog.
What?
It was a big cat, they said. Somebody thought, our neighbor across the road thought that she saw a cougar. Mm-hmm. So we're on the lookout for it. Hopefully it's not too hungry for a little boy. He's gonna go cut a tree down over here, I guess. Okay, show me that chainsaw.
What?
Let me see that chainsaw. Okay, you're gonna go for it?
I just intended to cut it.
Yeah, that's all right. Okay, cut that tree down. Okay, cut a tree down.
This is a bad.
Are you gonna cut a branch off? Cool.
Yeah. This is bad tree.
Yeah. Maybe we should go find one that fell down from the tornado.